bilateral talks between India and Australia got underway in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, along with their officials, deliberated on various issues at Hyderabad House. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the country is moving ahead with the vision of women-led development. He was addressing the post-budget webinar on economic empowerment of women today. Union Minister for Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal exhorted the industry to bring proposals for joint research projects and capture new markets. He was addressing the Export Award function in Mumbai today. India and United States have signed an MOU on semiconductor supply chain and innovation partnership following the Commercial Dialogue 2023. In cricket, Australia were 399 for 7 against India in their first innings on the second day of the fourth and final test in Ahmedabad a short while ago.